It's my fireworks stash part 3 for Bonfire night this year. Just got picked a few bits up from Firework Crazy. Just got the order in yesterday. Sorry for a bit of a wait delay on the next video. But good, nice selection. Just some smaller bits generally. Didn't have tons of money to spend, but I'll just go over what I got. So, over here, I've got a pack of white strobes by Gorget, or whichever way you pronounce it. It has 42 grams, just 3 strobes, standard. We've got Angel Dust from Brothers. Great little cake. I think it has 120 grams of powder. It's a great little cake. Mine cake. You don't really see many of these, and especially for how cheap it was. It's a great little thing. I got 2 of them. So it wasn't bad. It was a tenner each, so it's pretty good for what I got. I got this after getting recommended it by someone I know that's bought from Firework Crazy before. It's pretty small, but it's meant to have a bit of a kick. I believe it comes up with a bit of a mine as well as a shot, which is quite a nice effect really. I quite like it, and it's quite a relatively fast firing compared to some fireworks. It's got 371 grams of powder. It's only a category 2, so it's not going to be as powerful, but it's a nice piece. Quite like Absolute. They have just nice pieces they do. This is a really small cake for the price it was. It was 30 quid. To be fair, I didn't really watch the video for this. I just saw the Firework Crazy standard, and I had that last year and I really liked it, so I thought I might just try the mini. But it's from Brothers. It's quite small really for what the price paid was 30 quid. 345 grams, Cat 2, 100 shot. I think it might end up being a filler cake. From what I've heard, it's not as good as Firework Crazy at all. But I've also got Minions by Absolute again. It's a great little piece. I quite like it personally. Yeah, they just do solid little cakes. But this has got 150 grams. It's also another Cat 2 piece, which most of these are Cat 2, I do believe, apart from all the Celtic pieces, I'm pretty sure all Cat 3s. But yeah, these are a nice little piece I've got here. Just a little fun one really. Now these 6 cakes here by Hallmark, all 16 shots, all by Hallmark. It's from the Magic 6 pack which they do, which is the remodelling of the Little Stars pack from Royal Party they used to do, but it's just repackaged into Hallmark. Each have 104 grams, just varying effects. I think I might just have these, just got them for a bit of fun, try them. They're meant to be quite good. So I've got Supernova, Magic Stars, which is the name of the pack, Aladdin's Lamp, which is another one basically, Night Party, Sunset, and last but not least I have Sky Dancer, which is another small one, but they're all quite nice. They all say the same things on the back really. Bit of a shame, thought they might change it up, but they don't. Then you might have seen this in my other pack, but I've got another one. I've got another Neptune's Trident. I quite like it personally, and it was on discount at £20, so I thought I might as well pick it up. It was quite a lovely little piece, lovely fan. You don't really get this good fan piece for this price, and the amount of powder you get, which is almost 500 grams, it's absolutely just can't beat it. It is, however, another Cat 2 piece. I just had a lot of Cat 2 this year, whereas just had last year Cat 3 all the time. Next, I have 2 Boogie Candles by Celtic Fireworks. Just nice pieces I thought I might get. Saw the videos, liked them. It's not going to focus through this, is it? 140 grams of powder in each one. I'm thinking of firing them off each at a different angle together. It should be a nice pack. I got by Gorget Fireworks. I got Kazjopija. I can't pronounce it. J106 basically. It's a 16 shot piece. It's same as the Big Bang. It's all the Big Bang stuff. So Venus, Pluton, Uranus, and Mars, and there's a few others I think. But it's a great little piece. 16 shot, 20mm bore, quite big for what it is. Yeah, it's nice. It doesn't actually tell you powder content on this. This is literally the same as this, but just in English. We've got Guns N' Roses, which I love this cake. Red goes up into red bursts, and it's just beautiful. As is on the image. So what I quite like about Celtic, they tell you all the stuff on here as well. So it tells you 312.5 grams of powder, medium noise, 25-meter safety distance, 30-second shot time, and a 25-shot cake. That's beautiful. It's quite a big bore in terms of things. But the price as well, it's absolutely amazing, which is 20 quid. I will take that any day. Next, we've got fork candles, also by Celtic. Great fanned piece. Silver crochet. Crochets, yeah. Just, you don't really see big crochet cakes like this. So, I thought I might as well pick it up whilst it is. This is a Cat 3 piece. Here's 546 grams of powder, so it's quite a lot really. But, absolutely love it. If you can, pick it up. Not everywhere sell it. But it's a 49 shot piece, and yeah, can't go wrong with it really. Just put that there. Next, we've got Bedazzled, also by Celtic Fireworks. Picked this up just because, why not? Everyone said to pick up either this or Glimmer Glamour. That's from people I've been talking at Galactic to. It's a Cat 03, 700 grams powder, which is pretty good. I think it is, I don't actually know, 100 shot, yeah, 100 shot. So it's got the same amount of shot as Firework Crazy, but it's much bigger bore, and it's just, oh, it's a beautiful piece really. And yeah, definitely worth the purchase. It's just a fountain by Celtic Fireworks I got. Mount Vesuvio, I think. Just something different really. It's a fanned fountain. You see a few off, but it was quite expensive really for what it was, £12. But I quite like it, it's a bit of something different for once. 165 grams of powder, Cat 2, nothing special, just fires in a triple form, like fan formation, which is quite nice for something different for fans just being a standard. We've got Beijing Blitz, which is a small cake. I do believe it is 36 shot. Also by Celtic, 105 grams, which is really not that much. And it's tiny, tiny bore, but it's just something to start off the show with. Just a bit slow, but it'll do. So yeah, 36-second shot time, so it's like a shot per second. It's alright, it's just a nice piece to have really. And we got Crazy Crackles, which is a very nice cake. I think it's new for this year from Celtic. It's a 22-second fire time. It's 25 shot cake. It just literally says what it does. It crackles smoothly. It's got 145 grams of powder. It's a Cat 2. Just a nice cake really, just to start off with. It's small, but it's lovely. We've got Happy Shepherd by Celtic as well. Love this cake. It is small, but it's got a much bigger bore compared to Fireworks' size, and it does have some kick. It's only 16 shot, but it's amazing. 192 grams of powder, 30 second fire time. For the amount of shots, it's quite long really. But it's a Cat 2, but huge breaks from this. Love this. If you can get it, because it's amazing. Also, we've got two colourful crochets from Celtic, which is just the standard really. 300 grams of powder and Cat 2. I always pick these up because they're just nice to have this effect really. There's not tons of fireworks with it in, and I wish there was more really. It's a lovely quiet effect, and wish there was more to go with it. It's just a beautiful thing really. So 25 shots. It's got a 25-second fire time, 20mm bore, so it's not too bad. We've got another one of them, just a standard, same one. And then we've got Pharaoh's Tomb, which is very light. I'm not sure why, but just thought I might try it. It was cheap, it's 25 quid, 42 shot, and the size of it, I thought something must be half decent in it. But it's just from Benwell. I haven't really had much from Benwell before, so I thought I might as well try it. 294 grams of powder, so it's actually quite a small amount of powder. So this cake, Croissettes, has got more powder than this, which seems a bit stupid really, because this is a bigger bore and it's a larger number of shots. So we shall see how it is in the end. But yeah, it's a cat's free, so we shall see how it is. But yeah, that's it for my firework 2017 stash part 3. Just some bits I thought I might as well pick up. That's the leftovers of the other stashes I've had. Yeah, I'll post some more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in a bit.